Basically the 1501 KT Barudan. Alright, there you guys have it. Now we are going to remove the card from the thread stand. And before I do that, also take a look of this number. I'm assuming that's the part number or something like that. Well, I'm just going to remove everything, and I'm gonna keep that number for my records just in case. Alright, let's go and remove this guy now. Alright, and here we are, guys. Okay, and now let me show you a few points. These are the screws we are going to use for this area, that area, here and there. And just to give you some facts, right here, this frame right here, this is a steel, a real strong steel, you can feel it. This one too. But this area right here is plastic, and you gotta be careful with this because it's a different material. This is a plastic, real well done. And these are the tubes where we are going to feed the thread, and we are gonna get it to that end. Okay, let me go and put this on top and how attach this to the machine. All right. Okay, again, before we do that, let me remove this protection right here we got in this one. And guys, take a look right here. Right here is some oil, and this is, I am assuming, is for the lubrication somewhere in here. You guys can see a very nice oil right there at the end of this bag, and it means, you know, when we lubricate, this is probably the same thing is gonna happen to us. I was watching a video where it says that, you know, after the lubrication, you gotta make sure everything is completely dry, and don't use the machine until this thing is completely dry, in order to prevent any leak on any of the products you are about to thread. All right. Well, let's go. I'm gonna remove this and this guy right here. I'm gonna leave it for later, and I'm going to proceed to use the screws in those areas right there. All right. Alright guys, well, before I go forward, I want to show you this box. Basically, this is the maintenance kit from Barudan, and it came with this machine. Basically, it's right here, the bearing oil. Basically, we got some screwdrivers, and they give you a whole set that you can use, and it's very, very nice because you guys a lot of variety of these wrenches right over here, and this is something good. Also, well, they give us the screwdriver. I was using my own, and some spare parts. Have here also the this is the tool they use to thread. This is the hardware I showed you previously, and basically for these big ones we're gonna need a regular screwdriver. And then, well, you guys can check it right here, and this one, it matches perfectly. All right. Guys, after we lose these screws right here, right there, here in the other corner right over there, the only thing we gotta do right here is to slide this thing right over there and put it in here, and we are going to tighten one of each of these guys. All right, we're going to do the same thing in the back right there. We're gonna put it in the hole right here, and we're gonna tie this. Okay, after that we are going to install this head on top of here. Also guys, don't forget to install these guys right here in the four corners right over there. And the purpose of these guys is, if this thing get loose with this guy right there, this thing is not gonna slide out. But if you don't install this, of course this thing is gonna slide out, and then you can have a little problem right there. Okay. Alright guys, then we're going to grab this guy right here, and you know, we're gonna grab it gentle right over here. We're gonna put it on top of this guy right here. Then we're gonna grab this right over here from the middle, and we are going to open it. It spins like that. Remember how it goes. Then we are going to grab one of these screws, the little ones, and we are going to go to put this thing down. Make sure this thing going like that in a real nice way, and you guys will see these holes. Let me show you right here. You guys will see in your machine. You see those 4 holes? Well, we're gonna light it up, and we are going to screw these guys right in there, in one of each of those guys. All right, just do a hand tight in each of these guys right there, and that's gonna be enough. You know, like when you feel like it's tight, that's gonna be more than enough. Go the way you can feel when it stops, and don't go more than that. This is gonna be good enough. All right, don't push too much, because this is not like a car or something that you need a specific tension for this. You know, do the hand tight, and that's it. Good enough. We're gonna put all the threads right in here. We're gonna get all the thread around here, and we're supposed to get it up here. And you know, there's different strategies to do that. You can use this. Let me show you guys right here. You guys can use an air can like this one, or you guys can use this. I'm gonna try to use this. Let me see, where is the finger right here? Yeah, you guys see right there, you got a little opening right there where we're supposed to put the thread, and we are gonna feed it from the top right here all the way right here until we get it in this hole right over there. Then from there we're gonna put it in each of these guys, and we're gonna set up the machine. Okay, I like it because I got everything right here next to my machine. It's a small, it's not something like something crazy. And little by little I'm gonna start fixing this little room, this area right here, put some stands right there, like you guys see already some boxes right here. But I'm gonna put the links down below for this guy. It's really affordable, and as you guys can see, this nice cabinet is good for basically all the needs we have. And I love it, I like it. Well, when we're done doing that, the only thing you guys gotta do is basically put the cup right here, and that's it. Basically, that's the only thing we have to do. Now fit the thread under the tubes, and well, little by little I'm gonna start showing you guys videos about this machine. Honestly, I'm very happy with Barudan. Customer service is very nice, and they're very professional. They work with me. It's not because I get it from them. It's because, guys, I do my research, and there was a lot of machines. It's a lot of guys, customer service, that they talk really nice to you and tell you, well, you know what, this is the best machine. We give you zero down payment, zero interest, and they give you easy payments, monthly payments. Well, guys, you guys gotta watch out, because I was almost about to fall in one of those machines. I don't want to say that it's a scam, because it's not a scam. They are real machines, and they do the work. But the problem is, you're gonna have a lot of problems. And I'm telling you guys, I do my research, and I pay good money for this machine. This is not a light machine. This machine is super heavy. I'm telling you, you need 4 people or 2 strong guys to lift this machine. And as you guys see, we get it from here, and this is those are the handles, and it's not easy to put it in place. This machine is heavy. It's around 400 pounds, 350 pounds, 400 pounds. That's the weight of this thing right here. This is huge. It's pure metal. The whole thing is pure metal, and this machine is being used by the huge companies out there, like Levi's, like Tommy Hilfiger, like a Banana Republic. That's the kind of machine these guys use. It's where we got those hats like Nike, hats like Reebok, like different brands you see, and they use these kind of machines to do that job. I got this machine. Everybody was telling me, why you don't get a brother, why didn't you get a cheaper machine to start? Well, that's the thing, you know, I want to start with quality. After you create your LLC company, then, you know, more doors gonna be open. And how you guys gotta get this machine, the best way for your taxes, and the best way to keep your machine, because in the market out there is something called lease. That is something completely different than the lease you guys have in a house or something like that. I'm planning, if God help me, to grow this business, but with a high quality equipment and doing high quality stuff. That's what I'm taking my time with all this stuff I got in here, guys. I also get the software for this. Basically, this machine is a combo. Everything you guys see here, except for the hats and for this stand, but basically all the thread and everything is a package that is coming with this machine. I got the hooks right in there. I'm gonna get a different hooks later on. I got the hat. You guys can see the cap frame right there from Barudan. I got different stuff that is coming with the you guys see Barudan industrial oil, and we got different stuff that they provide in this package. All those threads, well, I have to pay for a package. They have a special package called ESP. In that package include all these you guys see right here, everything, all that, the threads and everything, basically everything except for this hat, like I told you guys, and except for the stand. Right here, this stand is included with the machine, and well, that's it, guys. And let's wait for the next video when I'm gonna do something else that I cannot tell you what it is because I don't know. Okay, guys, see you later on. God bless you all. Subscribe and let me know what you guys think about doing these videos about this Barudan machine. This is, like I told you guys, this is the KTCV3. It's basically the 1500 KT of the Barudan, the Cadillac of the machines, the best. And well, that's it, guys. See you in another Just My review. Bye bye, guys.